welcome back to my channel. Today I'm exploring Nintendo World at Universal Studios and meeting Princess Peach. And for that adventure, I'm altering a t-shirt from Five Below. This is a Mario Kart t-shirt, and I'm going to show you how to add fringe and how to add some bling. You first want to start with a pre-washed shirt. So go ahead and give it a launder as you would normally do. Then for this shirt, I'm cutting off the hem. That's the part right at the bottom that has the stitching. I'm cutting right above the stitching line. I'm doing that all the way around the shirt. Next, I'm going to cut off the neckline. Now I'm just cutting this into a curved shape, but you could cut a V or a little slit there in the center. I'm also cutting off the sleeves. I pre-measured on my arm, and I'm just going to slice down. Then I'm using that piece that I just cut off as my guide for the other side. So just line that up and then you can trim that. You do want to make sure that your sleeve is flat when you go to do that step. Now let's work on that fringe. I'm using a yardstick and a tape measure just to make sure I have a straight line across the top. And you can do this fringe really long or as short as you want. Now I'm cutting this into 1-inch strips, so I'm just using my yardstick as a guide. I'm not marking this off because once we pull them, you really don't need to mark it off. Go ahead and cut up those side seams. Sometimes there's a seam there. Now you're gonna pull each one of those, just stretch it, and they are gonna grow a little longer and they're gonna curl up on the end. Okay, let's add some pony beads. You wanna use pony beads that have a large hole in the center. And first you're gonna tie off a knot on the t-shirt. Then I like to just use a toothpick. I wrap the toothpick around the end of the fabric and then use that to thread on the beads. So just use that toothpick as a guide to push the fabric through the bead hole. Then tie a knot at the end and continue on. You can add as many beads as you want. Just do a fun pattern. Okay, now let's add some bling. I'm using lightweight acrylic gems here, and I'm going to set them using a grease pencil. I'm using gem glue, and remember we did pre-wash this shirt, and I really think that's important when you're working with gem glue. I use that pencil just to pick up the gems and set them right into the glue. You're gonna want this to dry before you wear your shirt and before you launder it. Each glue is a little bit different, so make sure you follow the package instructions. Go ahead and load up your design. You can add gems wherever you want. I usually just take a look at the design and fill in where I want to. Look how cute just a little extra bling looks on this adorable shirt. I had so much fun at Super Mario World at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I loved meeting Princess Peach. What a doll. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.